Hello and welcome to this lesson on Allah. This particular clip is not a information giving video. It is rather merely guidance to the PowerPoint which you will see on OneNote. And I'm going to guide you through a step-by-step guide how you should basically work through the PowerPoint on OneDrive. Today's lesson is on Islam, and specifically it is on Allah. And what I'd like you to look at on slide 1, you will be able quite clearly there to see the lesson objective. And I'd like you to get that down, please. And obviously the first thing I'd like you to get down is the title. The title is Allah. There is something that you are required to do. There is a do now on this slide, and that is the first slide, and that is top right, and that is do now. So if you could have a go at that, please, that'd be fantastic. It's essentially this. It's how would you describe yourself? Choose at least 10 adjectives or nouns to do so. So in other words, how do people identify who you are? Okay, so if you may want to, if you wish, to draw yourself in the centre and then write 10 points around it. If you want to do that, then you can just do a stick figure if you prefer. Okay, good luck with that. I'm going to move on to slide 2. Now with this slide, you'll at first see a piece of instruction which says describe this person in one word, and you'll then see an image of the Queen. Most people would typically identify the Queen, and you'll notice when pressing the mouse that is exactly that label that comes up first, the Queen. And I would like you to address the task at the bottom of this picture. Can it be done? So let's roll through slide 2 again. Describe this person in one word. Can it be done? Now what we don't want on this particular occasion is a quick yes/no response. We do want you to explain your reasons behind that. Okay, so do explain your reasons. After that, please move on. Slide 3, you're asked specifically who is Allah, and then you're given a little bit of information about Allah and some keywords down the bottom. The keywords are Allah - God and Tawhid - oneness of God. What we would like you to do, please, is to identify or to try and describe those keywords. Okay, so Allah - God. Yes, it gives you the word God, but can you go beyond that and describe a little bit more, please? For example, where's that word come from? Okay, similarly with Tawhid. Okay, good luck. I'm moving on to slide 4, and hopefully you are shortly too. Slide 4 is a nice short one. What words might Muslim use to describe God? Nothing to do here. We're going to scoot straight onto slide 5, where you will see 5 further keywords. That's 5 further keywords. And what we'd like you to do here, please, with those 5 keywords, just define them. Quick one word, it's not one word, one line definitions. Then that task is done. Good luck. If we move on to slide 6, you will immediately see a quote in kind of light purple font. And the task here is quite simple. Write the quote. Write the quote in the middle of your page, ensuring that you leave space around the edge of that quote. Okay? What we would like you to do is annotate its meanings. So there may be particular words in that quote that you underline, and you say, well, this means this. And then you get to go on and explain how this might link to the definition of the word Islam, submission. Islam, submission. Remember, submission is where perhaps you might, I was going to say, submit to something, but almost bow down. You feel not as good as the thing that you might be worshipping or seeing in front of you. Anyway, not a teaching video. Slide 7, and the title is The 99 Names of Allah, and it gives you a little bit of information about what the purpose of these 99 names are, before going on to slide 8 and giving you a task. The task is this. You're going to be given, you're going to see on slide 10, we're not there yet, but on slide 9 it kind of preempts it. You're going to be given 99 names of Allah, all 99. And you should use free to fill in the chart on slide 8, which you'll see a chart. The titles of the chart are as follows. Name of Allah. So it might be, for example, the examples I give you is the creator, the preventer. The next heading is, what does this tell Muslims about Allah? So creator, for example, simply, Allah made the world and everything in it. Okay, according to Muslim belief. The third title is this. How might Muslims act if this is what God is like? So, for example, if he is creator, how might Muslims act? And it gives you an example here. Muslims should care for the environment. Obviously, if God made it, they are caliphs, they are stewards. They might recycle and walk to work, etc., etc. So what impact today does that label have on Muslims' lives? Cool. Slide 9, you will simply see the 99 names. You do not have to worry about, obviously, doing a table of 99 names. Just choose free and use the guidance that I've already given you for slide 9. All the very best of luck, guys. Sorry, I said slide 9, for slide 8. All the very best of luck, guys. Good luck.